Happy New Year, beautiful people. How are you doing? I hope that this new year started on a good note for you, and I pray that God will give us the strength and the grace to achieve all of our plans for this new year. All right. Okay, so today's recipe is the popular agoyin sauce or stew. And to make this stew, I will be using some dried tatashe, which you can find easily at the local market. They are sold in bits of 100 naira. They're basically just dried red bell peppers. Also, I'll be using some atabigbe, that's dried chili. That's about a handful. Then I also have palm oil. This is about half a cup. You would need more if you're making more. There is no agoyin sauce without plenty oil. And then here I have salt and stock cubes. I will be using only one of the stock cubes. And lastly, onions. You need sufficient onions for this stew, and especially if you're using just atabigbe, you need onions to reduce the hotness of the pepper. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is to soak the peppers in hot water to soften them before I go on to blend them. So I'm going to just let this sit for 5 to 10 minutes before I pour in a blender and give it a good blend. Alright, so this is soft enough and it's a good time to blend. But before then, I'm going to remove the seed in the middle of the bell peppers. If you're watching my video for the first time, I hope you like it and I hope that you will subscribe to my channel. If you're a returning viewer, I want to thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you. Done with that, now it's time to transfer into the blender. I learned to make this stew from one Auntie Bosef. She's from Togo and she sells Ewa Agoyin. And although she uses just these dried pepper seeds, and that requires a lot of work, cleaning it up, removing the dirt and all of that. And on days when she cannot find the pepper seeds, she uses just atabigbe but with a lot of onions to reduce the hotness of the pepper, because atabigbe can be really spicy, very hot. Quickly blend that up. Next, I'll heat up my palm oil in a pan. For this recipe, I won't be bleaching the palm oil. There's no need to bleach the palm oil. We're just going to be heating it up enough, say for 2 to 3 minutes. I will throw in some sliced onions and I'll fry that for some 2 minutes. This is the blended pepper and I'll pour that in. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and also do subscribe to my channel before you leave if you have not. Thank you. I'm adding the stock cube now, and of course salt. An important tip to making this stew is to continue stirring at intervals. You do not look away from this stew so it doesn't burn or stick to the pan. You have to always come at intervals, stir it, let it fry, come back, stir, let it fry. And just like that. I did try not to add too much water to the stew. I only just rinsed off the blender into it. I used a bit of water. You will notice that the stew has not only just thickened up, it is starting to change color. It's become darker, and that's agoyin sauce coming together. So I'll continue to fry and also keep stirring it to make sure it doesn't burn. I am doing this on low to medium heat. And as it fries for longer, it will look like it's starting to soak up the oil, like it doesn't have much oil again. But don't worry, don't be tempted to add more oil. There's still a lot of oil in this stew and you do not need any more oil. And in this next slide, you will see that it has gotten even darker, and by now the aroma of agoyin sauce has
filled the air. I mean, now everyone around you should know that somebody is making agoyin sauce. But it's not ready yet. I'm still going to fry for a bit more, and by now it will look granulated. That's because all of the moisture in this stew is lost. So now I'll turn off the stove and let the residual heat finish up the remaining job. And this is agoyin sauce. This stew lasts so long. I leave it on the countertop for as long as one week. Give it a little more time and the oil will rise to the top, just like I have here. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe and I hope you try it yourself. Please give me a thumbs up and do share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy new year. Bye.